Okay, I woke up like in the middle of the night, and it's like 12:02, and this is what I found in my bed, non-stop. It's kind of insane. She'll start mumbling shit and like doing weird shit. I don't know how to explain it.
Suck my presidential cock.
Well, I heard her say that like 3 times in real life. I think she choked on some slobber there a little bit. Debating on if I should wake her up and ask her if she's dreaming about KJ. Her thumb's about the size of his penis, so it makes sense actually. And it's my bed, believe it or not. She's just gonna throw my pillows off. It's just about off the bed. I've been doing this all fucking night. It's kind of annoying. Nicole. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy friend.
Stop touching me like that, KJ.
Oh my god, I was dreaming about KJ. I'm so making him watch this video.
It's okay, Brandon. Yeah, that's right, Brandon's your channel. Hey, no, that is an exit only. But just for you. Yeah. So amazing. Just come here.
Okay, before she like murders my pillow by making out with it too much, I'm gonna maybe just wake her up a little bit.
You just...
Nicole!
Oh my god, what?
I gotta show you this video, it's so bad.
What? What time is it?
12:05.
Go back to bed.
No, you're not, you gotta watch this video.
Oh no.